Hey everyone! If you love chess and you've been wanting to get the Diamond membership on chess.com to analyze your games and learn from your mistakes, but found the subscription a little too pricey, then you're gonna love this. Today, I found an exclusive method to get 3 months of Diamond membership for free on chess.com. Stick around till the end because you don't want to miss this. Alright, so here's my chess.com account, Godzilla4GM. As you can see, it's just a regular account. No memberships activated, nothing fancy. Now let's try this method together. So basically, I stumbled across an online store called chessme.com. They sell chess-related products. But honestly, we don't care about any of that right now. What we do care about is that they're offering something amazing through a partnership with chess.com. A free 3-month Diamond membership coupon. I'll leave the store link in the first comment for you guys. Now you might be thinking, okay, but once I get the coupon, where do I even redeem it? Super simple. Once you have the coupon, simply click the click here button and it'll redirect you straight to chess.com's official site. Enter the coupon code there and boom, free trial activated. But first, we gotta grab the coupon. Back to the store, you'll find a button that says show coupon. When you click it, you'll be asked to complete a quick task. This is just to verify you're a real person, not a bot, and to make sure that everyone only gets one coupon. Alright, I'm gonna complete one of the tasks real quick. And we're back. As you can see, I got the coupon ready. Now, let's head over to the coupon redemption page on chess.com, paste the code right here, hit continue, and boom! It says my 3-month free trial has been activated. Let's double check by going back to my account, and yep, Diamond membership is now active. Now you guys can go ahead and start analyzing your games, learn from your mistakes, and level up your chess skills like a pro. I honestly put a lot of work into finding and setting this up for you guys. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Wishing you all the best, and I'll see you in the next one.